Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most interesting and important topic from our Java interviews and for any MNC interviews. So usually we understand that in our companies there are different levels or different hierarchies of the different designations. So whenever first usually we complete our graduation or post graduation like BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MBA or BCA or diploma. When we complete after that we join any organization. So before that we know that we are lot of curious that what are different designation in any organization in any MNC. So we should know. Also, we have lot of curiosity at time of joining of any company. So how their designation hierarchy works, designation architecture hierarchy in any MNC, in a big MNCs usually, guys. So usually we know that when we complete our degree or our engineering, our MBA, we directly comes at level basic level like junior like engineers like associate engineers or associate developer or developers. Okay, and we will be having in developers role. Some QA role also will be involved there, but mainly engineer developer roles. So from there only we grow step by enhancing our skills by enhancing our years of experience, and gradually we will enhance to reach to the CEO level, guys. To we can reach to CEO level or CTO level or BP's directors level. So, but we should know the structure in a very understanding, like uh, understanding way, guys. So here, if we talk about in our Indian MNCs, usually many MNCs follow this structure. It depends on the company to company. Also, sometimes these roles may vary in different form. But here I will show you in some important whatever the hierarchies or whatever the core designations in our MNCs, in big MNCs they follow. I will show you the core designation hierarchies, guys, into multiple MNCs they follow. So usually in top in the top hierarchy and top designation usually happens CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer. So chief executive officer usually have more than 15 years, around 20 years, 25 years of experience in particular domain, maybe some technical or managerial role. So they will have, after that they will use to get this in CEO role. So they usually get the CTC package. They can get 75 LPA to 5 CR even as well. And also it can be vary more than 5 CR also it can be vary, depends on the scale of the organization, large scale, medium or small scale, guys. But they have lot of responsibility. CEO they will measure the overall performance, annual performance of the organization or quarterly performance or half yearly performance. Usually they are very careful about the overall performance of any organization, guys. And they directly they used to communicate with the top hierarchy people like CTO, VPs or directors to understanding the problems or what are the next strategies for the growth of the organization. So, okay. So now from coming to CEO, next designation usually happens CTO, guys. So CTO are mainly Chief Technology Officer. So Chief Technology Officers, so usually they will have probably core tech. They have very strong technical skills, like any skills, like if anyone is in Java field, so they will have much experience into Java and in business development, how to implement a real life application using the technical, how to solve technical issues. So usually they will have more than 15 years, 20 years also, 25 years also it can happen. Experience for making becoming in CTO in the top level MNCs, guys. So usually CTO will they can get more than 50 LPA to around 2 CR package in the in like large MNCs, guys. It also depends on the it's different MNCs and experience and skill level, guys. So CTO also have main crucial role, like they will decide what technology is trending, what technologies are the best, and like cost saving also they will decide, and which are the best suitable for performance wise. They only decide for developing all the application and taking the more decisions into technical and business perspective. And that is also like same, usually same level CTO, BPs. Okay. So now coming to next designation is usually happens VPs, vice presidents or presidents. So usually these people happen mostly, guys, MBA background guys or business background. Say though they know how and like have rich experience into like business knowledge, how to get the business for the company, how to get different clients or projects from different domains or business units. So they will also need having good experience and good business mindset and good communication skill. Here is very important role, guys. So communication skill. So after also they used to have a good experience. It can be more than 12 years, 15 years, 20 years. They used to get the designation role of VPs or VPs, guys. President and vice president usually comes into this role. So their CTC, if we talk about the CTC package, they can get around 35 LPA to 85 LPA. Even it can vary, depend on the different organization. They can go more 1 to CR as well as BPs also. Now coming to directors. So directors usually are the, we can say they are the backbone of any organization. And any big MNC, usually directors used to lead big projects or big clients requirements. They used to lead to deliver the things, guys, after developing. So doctor have very challenging role, also very responsible role, guys, for delivery purpose usually. So they will also have much experience, more than around 15 years or 12 years. After that, they more than 10 years. They used to depends on their skill set. They get the different directors in roles. So there are also multiple categories in directors. Like they are senior directors. Directors are also they have associate directors. And so their salary bucket usually varies from 25 LPA to 75 LPA. It depends on the different organizations. It can be till 1 CR as well, guys. So now coming to next designation, next hierarchy is managers. So manager usually happens, guys. Usually any majorly like they come managers background from MBA people or BBA people become managers, but directly they don't become managers. They give some associate manager, assistant manager. After that, they used to get the manager or senior manager post. After having much experience, more than 10 years, 12 years, 15-year experience, they will get the manager role. There are also category two, like there are some resource manager, HR managers, and one is the technical managers, like project manager, delivery manager. So those are the technical managers. So for them, they need to have much technical skills, guys. And there, if you talk about their CTC package, it will vary from 15 LPA to 50 LPA, also more than 70 LPA also it can go, depends on their experience, years of experience and skill sets, guys. So skill sets are more important to get the good designation and higher paycheck, guys. So now coming to architects, as we know that architects usually used to design the any application, design the architecture of any business application or enterprise application. They used to design. They used to have also good technical knowledge and good communication skill as well, because they have to depict that complete how the flow of the application goes into application development. So they also need much experience, more than at least 10 years experience, guys, for getting good, becoming good architect. So they can, if we talk about the CTC package about architects, they can get up to 25 LPA to 50 LPA very easily in India, guys. If you have good experience, more than 10 years, you can get it this, guys. And take lead. So take lead is, guys, we can say the very challenging role, and this is the mostly most important role in any organization. So tech lead usually used to lead some teams, or usually deliver the task, or usually do follow up with the junior engineers and reports to the architects or managers. So, and take leads also take the requirements from the client as well, how we have to develop the application, how we have to deliver. They also create the project plan also. So how we have to deliver sprint by sprint the plan. And also they decide what are the tech stack best suitable for developing any application. And any failure happens, so tech lead is the most responsibility to developing the application. So usually, tech lead is a very important role to understanding the application, to delivering and developing the application there. So they will have usually different CTC package they can get around 15 LPA to 30 LPA they can get easily in India in Indian MNCs, right? Also, tech lead have one most important role, guys, which is the mentorship role. They used to do mentorship for the engineers, junior engineers, or associate engineers, or developer or QAs. They used to mentor to the who are the new joinees or freshers coming out from the college. So tech lead only used to mentor to those people for the getting hands-on to the developers or engineers for future requirements, guys. Now coming to engineers or developer. So as we know, whenever we completed our graduation or post graduation or college degree, after that when we join any organization or any company, we used to get assigned by the roles, basic role like associate developer or developers or engineers, software engineers. Okay. So after this only usually comes senior software engineer also, and below is the associate engineer, and after that tech lead usually happens. So but these are the cover into in this role, guys. So for this actually this is fresher or no experience also required, directly you can get this role. So but their CTC can vary 2.5 to 25 LPA. It depends on the different organization. It is service based organization or product based organization. So if service based, usually they start less package only 2.5 or more than 3.55 LPA like this they will give. But product based, you can get even 5, 10 LPA to 15 LPA, also 25 LPA like Google, Amazon, you crack Microsoft. Also they will give a better package. It depends on your skill sets, and communication skill also play very important role for this. Okay, so this was the basic understanding about the how the any our big MNCs or Indian MNCs works, and how their hierarchies goes, and hierarchy structure they designed. So here I have implemented the code logic, like how we can get the salary, like top highest salary from the list of employees, guys. So I will show you in complete logic. Let's say I will open IntelliJ. I will show you the complete code logic, and I will implement and show you the by running the code, guys. So this is the I have taken this class. So highest salary, like highest salary employee. I have taken this class and I have taken this main method, public static void main, and this is the main like line, guys. We should understand this. Here I am taking list of employees and creating the new list of employees, like array list. We are creating array list and creating list of employee. So employee here I have declared one class already. I have created this class here. So this employee will have like employee name, employee email, employee designation, employee salary. Okay, so this I have created the getter setters and constructors and this toString method to getting the value. Okay, so I have created like this default constructor and two argument constructor and the like four argument constructor, guys. Okay, so coming to this logic here, see, I have created first list of the employees. Now I am create adding the employees. Suppose I am trying to add one employee. Employees dot add new employee. So name is Mohan and email Mohan at the rate Gmail and their designation is developer and their salary CTC is 50 LPA package. So likewise, I am adding this new employee, another employee, Makhan. So Makhan at the rate Gmail, his email, as his designation is tester, and he is having 75 LPA package, guys. And now I'm adding another employee, employee dot add new employee, Sarmila, Sarmila at the rate Gmail, email, and designation is tech lead having 50 LPA CTC, guys. And now I'm adding Priyanka. Why dot add Priyanka and Priyanka at the rate gmail.com. Like her designation is director and she is having 70 lakhs package, guys, CTC. And now I'm adding employees dot add new employees. This year Sunana, the employee name Sunana and the email is sunana at gmail.com and her designation is CU and her CTC package is 95 lakhs per annum, guys. So I have added these CTC packages. So after that we have to calculate the highest CTC in the list. Suppose here I am just adding some dummy values like some sample values. It is having only five employees, right? But if we go any company or any big organization, they will have around more than 50,000 lakhs, 2 lakhs employees. So for all the employees, here even we can directly we can see by seeing this. This is the highest salary. But if you have the huge number of employees, we cannot check all the employees. We have to search and we have to. It will take a lot of time. So for that we know how to implement the code logic. So this I have implemented using Java 8. So here, guys, one second. Okay. Yeah. So here, if we see, guys, so here I have implemented the logic. So first, I will get the highest salary from the list of salaries. This salary, I will get the highest salary. So I have using Java 8 stream method, employees dot stream. After that, I am using map. So in map, after that I'm using employee dot get this method reference. I'm calling get salary from the employee class. Now I'm sorting here, sorting into the reverse order. So reverse order means the highest salary will be first. Highest salary will be first, and the what are the lower salary they will be coming next. And now I am using this find first. Find first will be give the first salary, like which will be the highest salary. And now I will use get method because find first will return the optional class, guys. That's why from getting the optional object, we will use uh, this get method, guys. See, optional is returning this. like optional class. Find first is returning optional class. So for this getting the object, we will use get method. So after using get, we will get the one highest salary. Like because here we are getting employee get salary only this method calling through method return. So only highest salary it will calculate and it will return the highest salary. Now after getting the highest salary, we have to get the second, employee detail. So here, if suppose interview panel asks you to only the highest salary, so this line is only enough, guys. If we have list of employee and we need the only highest salary from the list of employees, so this line is enough. We can print just highest salary and you will get the highest salary. But usually interview panel will ask you to show the employee name or employee details who are having the highest salary. So for that, again, we have to write this logic, this simple logic, one line logic, guys. So employee, like employee detail, we can say here, but I have taken employee. So employee dot stream dot filter. So here I am employee dot get salary. I am calling this method get salary, and now we are comparing employee dot get salary equal to highest salary. This salary is already we are getting after calculating this highest salary. So if get salary is highest salary, then we will use the find first and we will get the employee details, which is having highest salary, guys. So now this will return the employee object and employee object will be restored into this employee reference. So after getting it will we can print this employee details. So here we are printing employee details with highest salary. So here directly we are complete employee object we are printing. It will print all the employee of details. And here we are printing one by one in some decorated way, guys. We are printing just employee dot get name, employee dot get designation, employee dot get salary. So this was the logic. Here, I hope this logic is clear. If you have any doubt, still you can ask. So let's running this code, guys. I will run this logic. What will be the outcome? See, I'm running this code, guys. See, now it is printing employee details with highest salary. So employee details with highest salary, it is printing. See, employee name Sunaina, email Sunaina at the rate gmail.com, designation CEO, and salary is 95 LPA package, guys. Like this here, but in entering in short details, some details we are entering like employee name Sunaina, designation is CEO, and printing the CTC 95 LPA package. So this was the logic. Same way we can get even the second highest salary, which already I have explained here. And if we want, I can show you the second highest. Second highest we can get here. Suppose we can use skip. We can use direct skip here, guys. If we skip one, and then it will give the second highest. Let's see. Okay, okay, sorry. So here actually directly it should be skip from here. Actually, we are getting the employee here only. So we can skip here. We are getting the salary from here. So skip one, then find first, then we can get the find first. See, this is the second highest salary, guys. I'm printing the second highest employed. It is Sarmila, email Sarmila at the rate Gmail, and designation tech lead, and salary is 80 LPA, guys. Same here, we're printing Sarmila, designation is tech lead, and salary is 80 LPA. So this is the complete implementation of this code. You just try to implement yourself and run this code, then you will understand the complete logic. The core logic is in this two line only, guys. In this two line, you should understand very carefully. Then you can understand the complete whole logic, guys. I hope this point is clear. If you have any doubt, guys, or any question related this topic or related any topic, you can ask me in comment box, or you can send me like in chat, or you can ping me. I will help you with the all your doubts and question, guys. So like this, like if you like in sometime you can get different logics like in on this question. Sometimes they will ask that I need only name of the employee which is having the highest salary, or I want only the designation of the employee who is having the highest salary. So you should be careful while you are solving the question in front of any panel, or you are going to explain to someone. So both the thing, but this logic is from this logic means we have to understand. So first, like we have to sort using comparator, or we can use different way of sorting. We can sort in reverse order. Then we will using find first. We will get the first like highest salary, guys. So this was the logic, guys. So and further, you guys please understand this hierarchy when you are going to join any organization, any company, guys. So then only you will understand your future career path, how it grows and develop. So try to understand, and accordingly you choose your future, guys. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching so far, guys. Uh, Keep learning. Have a nice day, guys. Happy learning.